So now we have, they're going to test us on pronoun antecedent agreement, okay? So they're going to make sure you're checking to see if your pronouns and your antecedents agree. They're also can test you on point of view pronouns, and that sounds like reading, but this is how they would do it in the writing test. First person point of view pronouns are I, me, we, our. I'm involved if it's a first person point of view because I am first. The second person point of view pronoun is you, okay? And the third person point of view is he, she, they, it, okay? So what I've seen is sometimes here between these two, all of a sudden they'll make you part of the action. So they'll throw in a you pronoun when they've been talking in third person the whole time, and then they'll throw in you in second person. So it's important to remember, do not switch point of view. Often they will switch point of view by including you. So you don't switch point of view in a passage, okay? So these are the ways that you're going to be tested on pronouns next week on your STAAR test. This is just a review. We've gone over this before. So now complete the Google form, the rest of the Google form that is with this video.